Ram account. Now this is in the middle. We draw two lines in order to have an understanding that it is bifurcated into two equal parts. Then there is line furthermore. So we will see here this is an amount. This is an amount. Then there is date. We'll write here date particular. So this is particular. We will write here particular. Then amount. Then again date particular and amount. And there is also a journal folio. So before amount we write here a journal folio. Usually we don't enter it from practical perspective, but just to understand that which page of journal this account has been or this entry has been made. Just an easy reference for the person who is referring to the book. Now if we see here how the balances are to be balancing of an account. So let us say Ram account. So Ram account is a supplier for our sweet shop. So he supplies certain material to us. So what is how we are going to enter it in the books of account? So purchases debit to Ram, since it was done on credit 2 months later or 1 month later we'll make him payment. So we will enter here in credit side by purchases. So how much of goods we have purchased? Let's say 10,000. Okay. Now we have to pay him. So 2 months later, we have made him payment. Let's say we have made him payment of 8,000 rupees. So what is that? As per the rule, what it says, real account rule says that debit the receiver, debit what comes in and credit what goes out. So when cash is going out, so how entry is to be? Cash account is to be credited, and who debit the receiver and credit the giver as per personal account. So Ram happens to be the personal account. So he is the receiver, since we are giving him money, cash, against the purchases that we have done. So Ram account is required to be debited. So Ram account debit to cash, let's say 8,000 rupees. We will enter here 8,000 rupees. And this purchase was done, let's say 1st December 2025, okay, or 24. Let's now 10,000 rupees of purchases which was done. I will now refer to what is the balance that I have after having done the payment of rupees 8,000. From just oral counting we can very well say, but what our account says, if there are hundreds of such accounts to be maintained, it is difficult to remember. So we need to refer to the balances each of our account happens to show us. So we will see here this is the credit side. So we will draw one line here. Then again this is the debit side. We will draw it here. Okay. Now the side which is higher appears in total as higher. So we will roughly total it here. So it comes, this side is higher, larger than the debit side. So we'll write here the total value. Here also we will write the same. So same value is written here, 10,000. Now we will balance it. So what is the difference that this account is showing? So 10,000 minus 8,000, what remains is, okay. So here we will write to balance carried. This payment we made, let's say 15th of December 20. Now when we are balancing the account on 31st of December, let's say every year or every month end, or every year end. So this account is being balanced on 31st December, and to balance carried down. How this balance we have received? By balancing. So balancing figure gives us this balance, which is the difference between the credit side. So we write here debit, and this is our credit side. So our credit side total is higher than that of the debit side. So the difference will appear on the debit side of the account. And if the debit side total is higher than the credit side, then the difference will appear on the side of the. Supposingly, if we would have made him payment of 12,000 rupees, so our balance would have appeared, total would have been 12,000. Here also 12,000, and purchases were only 10,000, but the payment is made 12,000. So there is an advance payment made to him. So that balancing figure will appear here.